Thank you for stopping by Lone Star Home Remodeling Pros. We have been remodeling interior of homes and commercial properties for almost 2 decades now, okay, since the 90s. And we can do anything that you bring to the table. Bathrooms, flooring, tiles, roofing. We've remodeled endless kitchens, endless bathrooms, right? We've made home additions. So anything that you need. There's a few ways to contact us. If you're on your mobile device, you can click on this phone number up here. It'll dial. You can visit our contact page, fill out that information. We got Kathy down here. You can schedule a call with us, send us a text message. We just want to be super accessible. And if you go over here, you can just scroll some of our major services. So thank you for watching.